Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, world. So, as I was telling y'all, I got the steering wheel put in. The AC's blowing good. You feel me? Let me go ahead and turn that on so y'all can hear that. You know what I'm saying? I got the hood ornament put on. Right now, I'm gonna take it up to get the automatic door locks installed, as well as the alarm system. And they're gonna put in my classic radio. It looks just like this stock one, but it has Bluetooth capabilities. So that's all I'm really gonna do with the audio system right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what happened, and then I'm gonna show y'all the after, the before and after. So here goes. Let's put in mahogany wood grain, Grant, with the billet, you feel me? So this is the custom auto sound classic dash. Radio that's gonna go in there, and as you can hear the AC blowing. I seen somebody do this, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how you feel it. See if I can get it going. Nice and cold, you feel me? So, show y'all the outside. Maybe you can see it in the sun, but yeah, that's it for right now, and we're gonna get into it, man. We're gonna get out there to Precision Car Audio. They're gonna put a deck in for me, the alarm, as well as the automatic locks, and then we're gonna keep working on it, man. Keep improving it. I still got a digital dash I gotta put in there, so get the digital dash put in there. I want to get some of these cracks on the dashboard fixed, and do a little things with the interior. Nothing too crazy right now. Probably get some of the vinyl dyed. You know what I'm saying? I might do some dye to the seats too, because it got some sun fading on it. But we're gonna get into it, man. Keep working on it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all got any ideas, you know what I'm saying, and we'll see what's going on. All right.